other part of the Asia, South Asia, and India. Indian economists expect the near-term impact of the outbreak to be limited to the supply chain to major conglomerates, especially pharmaceutical, fertilizer, automobile, textile, and electronics. A severe impact on a global trade logistic is also expected due to the disruption of logistics in mainland China, but due to combined risk with the regional geopolitical tensions, wider trade wars, and Brexit, the stock market took a brash mode in the response to the COVID-19. The base Sensex fell 29.19 and Nifty 50 has fell 90 points in the single day on 12 March 2020. On 19 March 2020, the Indian government has banned the export of ventilators, surgical disposables, masks, and textile raw materials out of the country. Sri Lanka research houses expect the economic impact to be limited to a short-term impact on tourism and transport sector. Southeast Asia coronavirus fears lead to panic buying of essential in Singapore. Among Association of Southeast Asian nation countries, the city-state of Singapore was forecast to be one of the worst hit countries by NetBank. Maybank, the tourism sector was considered to be an immediate concern along with the effects on production lines due to the disruption to the factories and logistics too. In mainland China, Singapore has widespread panic buyers of the essential groceries of masks, thermometers, and sanitation products, despite being advisor agents. Doing so by the government. Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong said that a recession in the country is a possibility and that the country's economy would indefinitely take a hit. Prime Minister Hun Sen of Cambodia made a special visit to China with an aim to showcase Cambodia's support to China in fighting the outbreak of the epidemic. Maybank economists rating Thailand as being most at risk with the threat of the viral outbreak as impact on tourism, causing the Thai baht to fall to a 7-month low. Panic buying in the supermarket in Indonesia. The Indonesian over 10,000 Chinese tourists cancelled their trip and flight to major destinations such as Bali, Jakarta, Bandung, etc. Over the coronavirus fear, many existing Chinese visitors are queuing up with the Indonesian authority appealing for extending stay. Panic buying has also hit the capital city of Jakarta as the first reported case of COVID-19 was announced by the government at 3 March. In Malaysia, economists predicted that the outbreak would affect the country's GDP, trade, and the investment flows, commodity price, and tourist arrival. Initially, the cycling race or events lead Tour de Langkawi was rumored to be cancelled, but the organizers state that it would continue to be held as usual. Despite this, two cycling teams, the Hang Seng cycling team and the Giant cycling team, both from China, were pulled from the participating in this race due to fear of the coronavirus pandemic. As the outbreak situation has worsened, some of the upcoming concerts held in the February, such as the Kenny G, J Chao, Joing Yong, and the Wiener Shop Super Junior Rockaway Festival and the Marrying Young were postponed to a future date, and the upcoming 17 concert was cancelled.